Hey guys, welcome to another tutorial of the Solution Journal. Today we will learn how to fix when you got a problem of reviewing information on Playstore. This is a common error, a common bug, because in some cases you need to go to the settings and do the thing I show you today. And the first step is go to settings, and here in settings you need to go to the option of app management here. So in app management you need to go to the app list, and here in app list you need to put in your browser the Google Play application. And the Google Play application can't delete from your phone, because this is a application come with the phone, with the operative system of Android. So you can the thing you can do is pick here in force stop. It's like you can stop the application for a few minutes, and after that you need to go to storage and cache and clear the cache here in the down right corner, and after that you reset your application, and that's it. So this is the process. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Follow us for more content like this.